Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with another fun tutorial, so let's get started. In today's video, I'm sharing how you can make your own printed faux leather with sublimation. For this project, you will need a sublimation printer. You'll start by printing your design on sublimation paper. I'm making Halloween keychains, but you can use any pattern you like for your project. You will also need white smooth faux leather cut to 8.5 by 11 size, a heat press, and sublimation vinyl. You'll start by placing the faux leather smooth side up and placing the vinyl on top with the glossy side up. Press for 20 seconds at about 395 degrees. Don't forget the butcher paper and heat resistant tape. Peel the carrier sheet once cooled, and then move on to the next step. Now you'll place your sublimation image face down on the faux leather. Press for 50 seconds, remove the paper while still warm to reveal your design. I'm really happy with how this turned out. The image is very vibrant and the faux leather looks like I bought it at the craft store. I hope you will try this project, and please let me know what you think by commenting below. Be sure to subscribe for more weekly videos, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.